My dear child, the Christian community welcomes you with great joy. In its name, I claim you for Christ our Savior by the sign of the cross. Please pray for Kent every day that he will grow in age, in wisdom, and in grace. That Kent will grow healthy in body, mind, heart, and spirit. That Kent will flourish as a person and as a Christian.
Hi Ken, happy Christianity. I hope na lumaki kang healthy. Ayun, and we're always here for you lang.
Hi, Baobao! Welcome to the Christian world. Be a good boy and maging matalino ka. Yun lang. Lagi ka namin kasama ng mami.
Hi Bao, this is your Ninong Sen welcoming you in the Christian world. I hope you grow up as a loving child and that you have to always be masanurin to your parents, okay? Hello, Ken! Welcome to the Christian world. I'm your Ninong CJ. And hopefully, lumaki kang maayos, gagabayan ka namin, and always be kind. Dito lang yung Ninong, tsaka yung mga ninang mo. Bye-bye! I hope mapanood mo to in the future.
Hi Bao! I hope lumaki ka na may takot sa Diyos. Also, sana lumaki ka ng mabait na mabait, katulad ng dada mo. And sunod ka lang always kay mommy and dada. Lahat gagawin ni mommy and dada for you.
Hindi lang kami nandito para sa hindi yung mga ninong and ninang.
Madami kaming nagmamahal for you.
Well lang, alam mo naman wala akong masabi.
Speechless
Wala
siya as
akong
always. Ganyan talaga ang
So, masaya
dada.
ako.
Yes.
Yun lang.
Yun lang.
Thank you.
We love you.
Love you.
I feel like I'm already home.